In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Fresha booking link. Sharing your Fresha booking link is a fantastic way to streamline appointments and make it easier for your clients to access your services. Whether you're new to Fresha or looking to make your booking process more efficient, this guide will walk you through every step of the way. Let's start with the basics. Fresha is an all-encompassing platform for business management, specifically tailored for professionals in the wellness, beauty, and health industries. By creating a shareable booking link, you're not just simplifying the process for your clients, you're also opening up a channel for potential growth by making your services accessible with just one click. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Fresha website for businesses. Once there, you'll be directed to log into your professional account. If this is your first time visiting, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Upon reaching the login page, select the option Fresha for Professionals. This distinguishes your professional account from client accounts, ensuring you have access to all the necessary tools and features designed to manage and grow your business effectively. Next, you will be prompted to continue with Google. This option allows for a more seamless login experience using your Google account details. Simply select Continue with Google and choose the Google account you wish to associate with your Fresha professional profile. This step helps in streamlining the process, ensuring you don't have to remember another password while keeping your account secure. After logging in, it's time to head over to the online booking settings. This section is crucial as it houses all the tools you need to manage your bookings online, including creating your very own shareable booking link. Navigate directly to the online booking section by either searching within the Fresha platform or following a direct link if you have one on hand. Within the online booking settings, look for the Link Builder option. This is where the magic happens. The Link Builder is an incredibly efficient tool designed to help you customize and generate a booking link that aligns with your services and business needs. Now click on Create Link. Here you're given the opportunity to tailor your booking link. It's essential to make your link as specific or as broad as you like, depending on the services you wish to highlight or the range you offer. This customization ensures that your clients land exactly where you want them to, making their booking experience as smooth as possible. After setting up your link to reflect your services accurately, it's time to bring your creation to life by clicking on Create Link again. This finalizes your preferences and generates your personalized booking link. Once created, all that's left is to copy your freshly minted link. This is straightforward, just a simple copy and paste will do. Your link is now ready to be shared with the world, or more specifically, your clients and customers. The final step in this process is, quite literally, sharing your link. There are numerous ways to do this, depending on your business model and client interaction. You can include this link on your business website, embed it in emails, or even share it directly through social media platforms or messaging apps. The goal is to make it as accessible as possible to your clients, ensuring they can book your services with ease and efficiency. By following these steps, you've not only created a direct path for your clients to book your services online, but also streamlined your booking process, making it more efficient for both you and your clients. Remember, the easier you make it for clients to access your services, the more likely they are to book, and more bookings mean more business. In conclusion, sharing your Fresha booking link is a simple yet highly effective way to enhance your business operations. It's a testament to how embracing technology can lead to better efficiency, accessibility, and growth. So go ahead, share your link, and watch your business thrive. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make your professional journey as smooth and successful as possible.